Which NFL draft picks affect existing fantasy football players? Have you ever wondered how the NFL draft can shake up your fantasy football roster? The impact of draft picks can be significant, especially for players already on a team. Let's break down how these new additions can change the game for existing fantasy football players. First off, rookie players, particularly those drafted in the early rounds, can directly compete with established players for opportunities. For example, if a team selects a top running back, that rookie might share carries with a veteran. This split can lower the veteran's fantasy value, as fewer touches typically mean fewer points. Next, consider how draft picks can push existing players down the depth chart. If a team drafts a wide receiver early, that new player might take away targets from current receivers. This shift can impact their overall production, making it essential to assess how new talent affects the roles of established players. Another factor is the potential change in offensive schemes. A new quarterback can alter how a team approaches their game plan. For instance, if a dynamic quarterback is drafted, it could lead to an increase in passing plays. This change can benefit wide receivers and tight ends by boosting their target numbers, while it might hurt running backs if the team shifts to a more pass-heavy strategy. When we look at specific positions, the quarterback role is particularly influential. A rookie quarterback expected to start can change the fantasy landscape quickly. If this quarterback has rushing ability, they can become a valuable asset, potentially overshadowing veteran quarterbacks on the same team. Running backs drafted in the first few rounds often take on significant workloads right away. This immediate impact can reduce the carries for existing running backs, especially in keeper or dynasty leagues where long-term potential is key. Rookies with high draft capital are frequently prioritized for their upside. Wide receivers and tight ends drafted early can also shift the target share among current players. If a team selects a top wide receiver, established receivers may see a drop in receptions and yards. This change can affect their fantasy value, making it important to monitor how new players fit into the existing lineup. In keeper and dynasty leagues, understanding the impact of draft picks is vital. Rookies can become long-term assets, so evaluating how they affect current players can help you make informed decisions about keeping or trading players. During the offseason, fantasy managers should keep a close eye on draft results. If a team selects a running back early, it might be wise to reconsider drafting or trading for the current starting running back. Finally, the arrival of a highly drafted rookie can lower the trade value of existing players on that team. Conversely, if a draft pick is unlikely to impact a player's role, that player's value might remain stable or even increase. In summary, NFL draft picks can significantly affect existing fantasy football players by changing playing time, target shares, and offensive roles. Keeping track of these changes can help you make better decisions as you prepare for your fantasy season.